Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm here with another video. So it's a update messenger version. So I just want to help you guys out. So we all are using Facebook Messenger, the typical white and blue color, but the new messenger is in dark mode. So to get that, our all messenger is white and blue. We have to first update your messenger with a very update version. So I'm here with it, my updates. I just updated my messenger just a few time ago. All the bugs are fixes. So now you have to go into the messenger, go to your any contact and make sure you have changed the emo to this. Make the emo to this, and then you will find a notification on that you have found dark mode, and turn on the settings and you will get dark mode. Turn it on. The dark mode is in your the cool dark side of the messenger app. Isn't that cool? So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, tada.